this is amazing.
It's an old auditorium that was repurposed. I was really drawn to the brass era because my grandfather collected brass era cars. When you tell someone that you're driving a car that's over 100 years old, most people, you sound like Charlie Brown's teacher. They don't really have a picture in their mind of what you're talking about. This is a 1910 Pope made in Hartford, Connecticut.
Wow.
It's a limo, so if you're the driver, you sit out in the front. They've got the earpiece where they can give you directions.
Hey, slow down.
And you're sitting in the back, you're sitting in a nice bench seat while they're outside.
Oh, yeah, look at there. Oh, hey, what are you doing there? What? Hey. What else we got?
We got a 1930 Packard Roadster over there. Got a 145-inch wheelbase.
You know what's crazy is a lot of people don't know how fast these cars work. I mean, it's the turn of the century, but some of these things were doing like 100 miles an hour, right?
That Loader over there is capable of high speeds at 60 miles an hour when you shift high gear. Oh. And one of them was timed at over 100 miles an hour in 1910.
That's crazy.
And that very car was raced till 1918.
Wow.
This car was made within 6 months of that Loader, and it's a 20-mile-an-hour car, and it's made to look like a horseless carriage. It's what they call a high-wheeler. And International Harvester made that where they could attract people who were having trouble giving up the buggy, even though they're made at the same time. But 20 miles an hour, and that's scary.
I'll bet. Let's check outside.